Good morning, guys. Today we are adding fractions with like denominators. What that means is that the number at the bottom of your fraction remains the same when you're adding. You're adding numbers that have the same denominator, and that means that the answer will keep that same denominator. Let me show you a little bit of an example. So if I was adding 3/8, I have 1, 2, 3/8 plus 1/8 plus, well, let's do it that way. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that are 1/8. So I have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. Remember, the number at the bottom, the denominator, establishes what the size of the fraction that you're adding is, so that denominator has to stay the same when you're adding because they are like fractions. That means that they all have the same denominator. They keep the same denominator. So 3 plus 1 means 4. And because their size is an eighth, you have 4/8. Let's see. What if I add another 2/8? Well, now I don't have 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8. So if I was to look at how to do it, I would say by looking at my fraction strip that I have 3/8 plus 1/8 plus 2/8. That's what I have down at the bottom. And now I just add them because they're all eighths. The number 8 remains the same, and I just add at the top 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 6/8. What if my number is different and my fractions seem to change? So now I have twelfths. I have 3/12 here, and I'm going to add 2 more 12ths. So I have 3 plus 2/12, 3/12 plus 2/12, and that gives me a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5/12. Same thing here. If I have 3/12 plus 2/12, remember the denominator stays the same, and I just add the top numbers, which will give me a 5. If I was to change it for a little bit, I'm going to do 3/9 plus a 9th. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4/9, and I'm just adding them. I'm saying 3/9 plus 1/9 is equal to 4/9. And if I was to add 2 more, then I can say that I have 3 plus 1 plus 2. So I will add my tops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the number at the bottom stays the same. The denominator will not change because all of them share the same denominator. So there will be 6/9. Now, if I wanted to add a 6th and a 6th, then I have 2/6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2/6.